What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. Let's get into it. Now, this makeup look is one of my best because I love pink. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows by outlining it with my eyebrow pencil. This is the color brown. So I'm going to do both my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is the same concealer that I honestly use throughout my whole videos. You can honestly purchase the LA Pro Girl Concealer from either online or you can go to any of your local beauty supplies. So this gives me a perfect arch. So yeah, I'm going to, clean up my eyebrow with this and give it that arch. And I'm going to do this with both of my eyebrows. Also, I'm going to apply this to both of my eyelids. I love this concealer, y'all. If anybody got any suggestions on any other type of concealer by another different brand or makeup company, please comment below and let me know. So I'm going to blend this all in, and then I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and set that on in. All right, and next I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this dark pink. It's not too dark. I am going to mix it up with a little bit of this. It's like a little bit like a neon pink, but it all going to blend in and combine together. So I'm going to apply this to my crease on both my eyes, y'all. I love this pink, honey. You can never go wrong with pink. Pink is popping. I love pink, and that's what it is, period. Next, I'm going to go in with this other shade. It is like, I wouldn't say a purple. It's like, I don't know, maybe a Bernie color. Like Bernie wasn't purple, if y'all ever know the cartoon Bernie. But yeah, so I'm going to go in with that just to darken it up just a little bit more. If y'all hear any extra movement, it's my baby in the background. Now, I'm going to apply the same concealer and cut my crease with it. And I'm going to do this with both of my eyes. Now, I'm getting real better with cutting this crease, honey. So y'all better watch out. Nah. But yeah, so just watch me cut this crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this shimmery white. I really love this white. This is from my Take Me to Brazil palette also. So if you have not purchased the Take Me to Brazil palette, go ahead and go on BH Cosmetics. It's not expensive at all. It is worth it. And go ahead and cop that Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm going to apply this on both of my lids. Then I'm going to go in with this other shade. It is a pink. And I'm going to apply that to the end of my eyelid. And that's to give it like a fade into the pink. So the white will be fading into the pink. And y'all gonna see how it comes out. I really like it. And I did apply a little bit darker shade, which is a purple. And I'm going to apply that to the end of my lid. Oh, I really like how that looks. Now, right now, I am putting on my AnoraMake lashes that I will be launching very soon. So just stay tuned. This is a pair here. They are 100% mink. And yeah, I really love them. This mascara, I did get it from Walgreens. I know it. And now here goes the fun part. Applying foundation. This little girl will not get off me. So I'm going to apply my Clinique foundation, which I need to restock up on. I am running out, honey. So apply that over my entire face. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that same concealer and highlight under my eyes. I'm going to do both under my eyes. Then I'm going to do my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. I do add a lighter concealer on top of this to give it a more pop. So I'm going to add a lighter concealer, and you're going to see how it's going to turn out. Alright, so I'm going to use my contouring stick. This is the darkest shade. I did purchase this at I think it was Dollar General. They had different colors. This is the one I went for. You should always want to go with a darker contour, you know. If you know anything about makeup, you will know why. But we're not going to get into all that. But yes, I'm going to blend in my highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my nose, and my forehead. Okay, now it's time to set this highlight. Okay, now I'm going back to my Sacha Buttercup. I honestly did not plan to talk all the way through this video, but I'm just going to give you a little bit of stuff, you know. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to go into my contouring palette, which it is powder. Is going to set my contour around my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. All right, now I'm going to apply my highlight, which is the Master Chrome. I actually ordered this. I can't remember where. But yeah, I'm going to add this on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and my chin. And after this, I'm going to blend this all in, y'all. I want y'all to continue watching and see the outcome. All right, here is the final look. Look at that eye, honey. If you are not following me on social media, my Instagram is AnoraBeautyStudio with a Z. And thanks for watching.